Fathoda MLA Vijay Sardesai has come up with a unique idea of promoting local farmers from Fathoda. A mini market will be set up opposite the new district hospital, but members of the Fathoda Block Congress allege that the market is illegal.
Fathoda MLA Vijay Sardesai said that opposition for the mini market is very sad, as this initiative was taken up to promote local farmers and their produce.
Cementaचे tiles करताले, which are polluting, which is an eyesore. Entry of the city of Margao was not even बरे एक दिसापासून आशिल्लें. ताका केन्नाच कोणे ओपोज केलें ना. आज जी बी टीम थंय वचून हडताल करता, हो थंय मर्डर जालो. ते मर्डराचेर ओपोज जावपाक की बाबा असली ही लोकॅलिटी जाल्ली आहा की रस्त्याचेर तकलेचेर फातर घालून मर्डर जाता. हाजेर ओपोज करपाक खंयचीच पार्टी आयली ना. पूण जेन्ना गोंयकार शेतकारांचें मार्केट जाता ते ओपोज जाता.
He also elaborated on the market and how it aims to help local farmers from Fathoda.
फातोर्डेचे शेतकरी जे आपली भाजी आनी फळां जी पिकयतात आनी व्हरून फोंड्या विकतात, तेन्ना फोंड्या तांकां मार खावचो पडटा आनी दे आर बींग कॉल्ड आवटसायडर्स. सो मूळ गोंयकार जो फातोर्डेचो मूळ गोंयकार आहा, गोंयचो मूळ गोंयकार, जातीचो कास्ताचो मूळ गोंयकार, तो फोंड्या वतकच नॉन गोवन जाता और आवटसायडर जाता. हांगा आसा तितलो जो फार्मर हांगा आसतलो हो गोंयकारूच आसतलो आनी हो फाल्यां गवळी वाड्या वयले तूप पसून ते करतात पळय तें विकूंक शकतलो. फाल्यां गवण्या वयले चोरीसूय तो विकूंक शकतलो. इट इज फार्म प्रोड्यूस. सो एवरी गोवन विल गेट अ चान्स टू सेल वॉट ही प्रोड्यूसीस हियर.
Meanwhile, members of the Block Congress allege that the BJP and Fathoda MLA are hand in gloves in abetting illegalities in Fathoda.
Now this market is coming up on a band, and there is already a proposal by the owner in connivance with the Fathoda MLA to convert the whole 3,300 band to settlement zone, which is right now Orchard. Now how to do it? They want to show that there is some commercial activity going there. And to start that commercial activity, they want to use the ST population of that area. First of all, we want to ask the MLA, what is the need of the market right next to the highway? If you are concerned about the ST population, ensure that they are placed within the HGPDA market, or even give them place within the KTC premises. There is a whole area which is favored but not used.
Whether the BJP government is at the helm of affairs in this state, and whether they are hand in gloves with the MLA of Fathoda, because in spite and despite our fact, bringing to the notice of various authorities, nobody is ever raising a voice or seeing to the concern of the people.
Our reporter from Madgaon, Ramesh Naik. Our reporter from Madgaon, Sandeep Tuvekar.